Whoa, that's really close up. I don't want to be that close up to anyone. Yep. Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here for one of my favorite videos. This is a mystery box unboxing video, but not any mystery box, a mystery box of my favorite brand, Free People. So we're going to do a Jomar Wholesale unboxing and review, and it is a Free People box. Free People's my favorite personal brand to wear. I'm wearing one of my favorite Free People linen tops today in honor of the Free People video. How many times can I say favorite and Free People?
Free People, Free People, Free People, Free People.
Let me give you the details on this box and let's bust it open. So it is Free People assorted women's clothing, 20 pieces. The cost of it is not on this page either. Stay with me now. The cost of the box is $220 for 20 pieces, but I have a discount. Always shop on Jomar with a discount code. My code is The Grateful Queen, all one word, and you can get a discount and I earn points, so I really appreciate each and every one of you who have used my discount link. Thank you. So I had a discount and then shipping was $34.57, so my total in this box is $199.57 or approximately $10 an item for new and tag Free People. Now, this is sample new and tag Free People, so some of it's going to have tags, some of it's not. It's going to have a sample tag. I've bought these boxes before. Usually Free People samples are size extra small and small. Not the best from the reselling perspective, but Free People sells for me. I've sold a lot from my previous box. It's one of my best-selling brands on eBay and Poshmark. I've been selling on eBay for 10 years and Poshmark 3 years, and I'm on Etsy. I sell fashion, clothing, shoes, belts, accessories, all that really fun, good stuff. So I bought this stuff to resell. Let's get into it. Yes, I put the bloopers at the end of the video. It's basically a video of bloopers, so I move them all to the end so there's something to watch. So join me at the end for the bloopers. Some of you have said that like Free People doesn't sell that amazing for you, so I want to give you some tips during this video that might help you out in that department. This is bright pink goodness, so let me show you what the tags look like. So it's new and tag, but that's not Free People's regular tag that we see. This is a sample tag, and on a good one, it'll have information on the back, so that really helps me when I go to list it. So this one says sample type, I can't read it. Style, tunic, color, pink, size, extra small. Great. What is this baby? Oh, this is a Free People dress. I have a Free People dress collection. I admit it. I'm in love with the brand. Okay, so this is like an oversized dress as usual for Free People. It's got some elastic at the neckline and it's sort of a textured knit, and then it has balloon sleeves, tie sleeves. I'm gonna try this baby on because just a tip, you know, Free People is often very oversized. So like a Free People small can be like a large in other brands. This one actually has the metal tag. This is the Free People tag in case you're new. Some of the samples don't even have this. This I'm sure I can sell for like 40 bucks. So there you go, making money already. Oh my gosh, I'll be so excited if there's Free People movement in here. I don't know if that was in the description, but I love Free People movement, and this is it. Free People movement size extra small, the Synergy crop print. It's a sports bra, look at the back. Oh my God. Total cottage core little florals. Oh, I love it. Look at that. I love you, Jomar. Look at this little bralette tank top. Look at the heavy lace and embroidery and crochet there and the little tiny buttons. And it's smocked in the back. See that elastic? It's called smocking. People love it. I put it in my title and descriptions. And this one's got a totally different type tag. You know, like, and so I make it very clear in my listings. Free People samples. This is called the Stivvy Cami. Size extra small. I love it. I wish I could wear something like that. If I could, I would keep it, but that's not going to fit even half of me. And I'm okay with that. Ooh, another cute little bralette type top. Super beautiful, like yellow orange with tons of eyelet and lace. And this one has a tag on the inside. This says Free People 1. I understand if it's confusing for you, if you're trying to learn brands that sell well on eBay and Poshmark, and you're trying to learn these brands, and they have so many different lines and so many different tags. So already we've seen regular Free People Movement. This is Free People 1. This is an extra small, and this one does have an actual tag and material tag, but it doesn't have a new tag, Free People tag. So I have to put that in my listing explicitly. Ooh, I see some more fitness. Oh yes, so cute. The block crop top white combo, an extra small. Very attractive zipper front sports bra. And this is the Free People Movement logo. I'll show that to you. Try and memorize those logos on fitness wear, guys, because on fitness especially, people cut out the hang tags. Because, like, do you want your sweating in Zumba and you've got this hang tag? No. So a lot of people cut them out. So if I see a pair of leggings I love at the thrift store and there's no tags, I start hunting around for the Lululemon logo or the Athleta logo or the Free People Movement. And this feels so amazing, whatever this is. I hope there's something in here I can keep for myself. Don't keep all the inventory and merchandise as a reseller. It's the total worst habit, and I'm not a good example to you guys in this particular area because I allow myself to keep whatever I want because I turn over my closet all the time. I'll bring some new stuff in and I'll take some old stuff out and I'll sell it. But don't just hoard a bunch of the inventory. You need it to make money. But don't follow my example either. Tip. What is this gorgeousness? Oh my god. Intimately Free People. That's yet another Free People line. This is so oversized. Look at this. It's like a midi or maxi dress. It's ivory or pink. And it's got pockets and it's got side slits. This would be such an awesome like swim cover up. It's so soft. It doesn't have any tags. It has the tag inside, but again, no nude tag. Let me show you the sample thing though. Like, see inside, so I can tell people this is new. It's a sample, so you're gonna get this tag, but not others, if I sell it. If you fall in love with anything in the haul, I sell to people directly all the time. Just message me on Instagram at The Grateful Queen. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel so you get notifications when I go live or new fun unboxing videos come out. And you like and you find me on Instagram, and basically we hook up and we're in each other's community and network. Let's make that happen. Water break. I'm not really doing a challenge, but I bought one of those 1 gallon a day water bottles that track your water, and I'm like, it's 4 o'clock, I'm almost done, so I don't think it's gonna be as hard as I thought. I love Jomar. It is my favorite place to get inventory right now, hands down. This is a bodysuit. A mustard yellow bodysuit with a thong. Moving right along. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Look at the print. Like boho, ethnic fabric, peasant detail. Come on. Why don't I tell you guys some titles, some stuff that I would use. I don't know what this is. The Jet Set Mini and Black Combo. Extra small. This is so Free People. It's a dress, but it's really oversized and, okay, so it's got this neckline with all this yellow stitching. It's short sleeve, but then it's just so oversized. And it almost has like a bubble hem. And look at the bright yellow stitching in this. Can you see me in it? Because I can. Like, yes, I love you so much, Jomar, and I love this dress. And it's got all this like darts or pin tucks or whatever it is that makes the skirt really full, and I love it. Will I get to keep any of this? I don't know. A lot of it's really tiny. Okay, so now I think we're coming on to a lot of bras. I'm so excited for this Free People Movement stuff. I bought a box from B&G Trading Company of Free People Movement, and I've sold almost all of it. I think I have a couple pairs of joggers left. I kept a couple sweatshirts, and so the Free People Movement is selling. This is so complicated and gorgeous. It is a sports bra or a bralette, but look at it. It's got like all this stuff on it. Aren't I the best reseller to educate you about keywords and terms?
It's got all this stuff on it.
There's lots of bralettes in here. Oh my gosh. This is teeny tininess. like another little bralette. I think there's a bunch of these, so let me just kind of, oh no, it's all different stuff. Ooh, would this one fit me? No, I'm not gonna squeeze anything into a extra small. This has a regular kind of Free People tag. This is what the Free People Nude tag usually looks like. It's the Rejuvenate Synergy Bra. And look at the back. So super nice. Like, yes, maybe I'll put these on my Poshmark. Oh, why won't this fit me? I was gonna say put them in my Poshmark closet so people can bundle. Look at it. It's all like gorgeous. This is the Oh Hey Applique Cami. Oh Hey. It's got like lace and it's made out of nylon. Can you hear it? It's got an open back. Gosh. Here, we saw this earlier. Another Free People braletti. I probably didn't read the description of this box, that it was mostly bralettes and sports bras. $30. Intimately Free People. Little ribbed tank with like a scallop trim on there. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for the summer. All the ladies are gonna be like so excited to rock these little tops. This is like a ribbed white crop top tank top, no tags on that. A beautiful pink ribbed braletti thing. Okay guys, a braletti ribbed thing in green, pink, but a nice ribbed crop top, and this neon pink. Now none of these have tags, like these, so I'll have to list these as new without tags, and I'll put in my description. I bought on a wholesale lot, they're all new, but they don't have tags. So that's awesome. I love Free People. I'll make a profit on these. I love Jomar. Check them out. They've got new with tag boxes, pre-owned. They've got everything, and it always makes me happy to share a Free People box with you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. Does that look normal? Well, normal as you can be for me. I'm in my happy place because I'm opening a box. It's not really a box, they put it in a bag. I don't really care. Where am I gonna make my big pile? I don't know. A sports bra by Free People. Look at the backs all like crissy-crossy. That's amazing. And I'll say what kind of tag it has and everything. Make sure you take a big breath. I get too excited with the mystery box. I'm really zen now. Yeah. I don't know what you'd call this strappiness. Strappy front, strappy back, amazingness. A little like what they often call this is like a, no, I'm not gonna say it on my channel, forget it. Some type of tank top that's not PC.